Hello, I am Victoria Johnson, and welcome to Louise Hay Meditations for Healing Section 8, A Circle of Love. Enjoy your life with power thoughts and learn how to live using the principles of loving ourselves and others. For more information on becoming a Heal Your Life workshop teacher and coach, please visit thetraining.ca. That's training.ca.
A circle of love. See yourself standing in a very safe space. Release your burdens and pains and fears, old negative addictions and patterns. See them falling away from you. Then see yourself standing in your safe place with your arms wide open, saying, I am open and receptive to, declaring for yourself what it is you want, not what you don't want, but what you do want, and know that it is possible. See yourself whole and healthy, at peace. See yourself filled with love. All we need is one idea to change our lives. On this planet, we can be in a circle of hate, or we can be in a circle of love and healing. I choose to be in a circle of love. I realize that everyone wants the same things I want. We want to express ourselves creatively in ways that are fulfilling. We want to be peaceful and safe. And in this space, feel your connection with other people in the world. Let the love in you go from heart to heart. And as your love goes out, know that it comes back to you multiplied. I send comforting thoughts to everyone, and know that these thoughts are returning to me. See the world becoming an incredible circle of light. And so it is.